Have you ever watched a show that didn't just entertain you, but disturbed you? The kind that makes you question the system, society, and even yourself. Because tonight, we are not diving into fantasies or fairy tales. We are diving into the dark truth of India. The 8 reality-based series that mirror corruption, greed, injustice, and human survival. Brace yourself. This list might just make you uncomfortable. These are not just web series. They are realities disguised as fiction. Every story you're about to hear exposes a layer of society that we often ignore, from politics and caste to power and pain. Let's begin with number 8, a story that will shake your faith in the healthcare system. Number 8, Lakhon Mein Ek, Season 2. Dr. Shreya Pathak, an idealistic doctor, arrives in the remote village of Sitalapur to serve the poor. But what she finds is horrifying. Corruption so deep that saving a life means fighting paperwork. And when a medical camp turns into a graveyard of deaths, the system proves one thing: human life has no value here. This isn't just fiction, it's the reality of every honest soul crushed by bureaucracy. 7. Grahan. Love and riots rarely meet, but Grahan changes that. A young IPS officer investigates a 1984 massacre, only to find her own father linked to it. Past and present collide, and the truth burns brighter than justice itself. This show isn't just about riots, it's about how history never dies, it just hides. 6. Delhi Crime. Based on the 2012 Nirbhaya case, this one hits hard. DCP Vartika Chaturvedi's sleepless pursuit of justice exposes both the cruelty of criminals and the courage of those who fight them. The realism, the silence, the pain, everything screams truth. This series doesn't glorify crime, it exposes how deep it runs. 5. Patal Lok. A murder case turns into a nightmare when a cop discovers how the system rots from within. Each suspect represents a different shade of hell, caste, crime, and corruption blending into one terrifying picture. This is not a whodunit, it's a whydunit. And the why is darker than anything you can imagine. 4. Maharani. A simple housewife becomes the accidental chief minister of Bihar, but she's no puppet. Her fight against the system turns into a war between power and purity. Maharani is raw, political, and painfully real, a woman's rise from silence to storm. 3. Taj Mahal 1989. Not all darkness comes from crime, some come from love and ideology. Set in Lucknow's politically charged 80s, this story mixes romance, rebellion, and idealism. It reminds us that even love can be a protest in a world drowning in hypocrisy. 2. Trial by Fire. 2 parents lose their children in the Uphaar cinema fire and spend decades battling the system for justice. Every hearing, every rejection, every heartbreak, yet they never stop. Because this story isn't about tragedy, it's about resilience. Sometimes the biggest heroes are those who refuse to give up. 1. Ashram. He claims to be God, but his temple is built on lies. Baba Nirala controls faith, money, and lives, until one follower dares to question him. Behind devotion lies lust, greed, and power, a reflection of how faith can be manipulated. This is not just a series, it's a mirror of blind belief and corruption that thrives in the name of God. These 8 stories are not just about entertainment, they are about awareness. Because sometimes, the darkest fiction is actually the truth. Which one of these series shocked you the most? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories that reveal the real face of India.